All
But
right.
there's some other good practices which every opinion should have, and that's where the difference arises in terms of an opinion being different from a submission made in the court, or your document which you submit in the court. Okay,
Right.
an opinion should always be in layman's term,
Okay.
because this opinion will go to business people who are not trained lawyers, using complicated legalese like inter alia, qua, Latin terms is a complete no in an opinion. It needs to be as simple as possible. It needs to be affirmative. I think a lot of firms I've seen give out opinions which do not serve any purpose, because they do not give up affirmative opinion on anything. They just give you options which, of course, the company is already aware of. So an opinion needs to be affirmative in terms of your opinion. You can always write that this position might be litigative, or this position might not be accepted, but you need to give a particular
Right.
closing
Right. Right.
solution to a client. Yeah, I'm
So
saying
it's
paragraphing is very important in opinion, uh, solely for a purpose that invariably you will enter into discussions with the clients. Now that discussion can be over a call or face to face. So every paragraphs are important, because invariably an opinion will end up into a discussion either over a call or an email or a personal discussion. So when there's a longish opinion, it's a good practice for the other party to be able to refer to a particular point. And
right.
paragraphing and subparagraphing becomes important there, because when over a call your client is trying to refer to a particular portion which you have written, he should be able to number it out so that it's easier for you also to get back to that. Or if you are referring, your client should be able to reach that area. Instead of saying page number 5, 10th line from the above, second this thing. So that creates a lot of confusion. Hence, a paragraphing becomes very important, which is unlike a summation which is given in the court of law. Right? And also referencing is very important. You need to reference all your sources, the case law, the journals, the articles. It's very important. And the last one, which is of course very true for all the things, do not copy from anywhere, because everyone is smart enough to know whether something has been copied or not. It should not turn out that he types a paragraph which you have given an opinion in Google, and that comes the article from where the whole opinion has been copied, or the major part of it. So these are some of the points which are very important. Last one, which is also very important, is that an opinion should not contain long sentences. This I think is true for every written document you're sending out to a client or giving in the court of law. Lawyers invariably get into a habit of writing very long sentences, and so much so that by the time you reach the end of that sentence, you forget what's there in the first part of it. So write short sentences. I'll just give you an example which I read somewhere. Just read this long. This is one sentence.
Right.
So by the time you end this statement, this sentence, you lose the whole plot of it.
Right.
Right? And the correct way of writing is this. So you can summarize the complete whole long sentence in 3 short sentences like this.
Right.
Right? So this is what an opinion should always contain, not having long sentences, having a short kind of very precise, without complicated legalese. It's very much possible to give all those legal gyan, legal opinions in a very layman's, simple, short statements. Unfortunately, what is considered as eloquent is sometimes when you are using a lot of complicated language that tags along with the repute of a lawyer. But
Hmm.
unfortunately, that's not true in the scenario, because your opinions do go to people who are not lawyers. They know the law, but they're not lawyers who cannot understand the complicated